Dear students, now let us look at 14.9. At what temperature is the root mean square speed of an atom in an argon gas cylinder equal to the RMS speed of a helium gas atom at minus 20 degrees centigrade? So here two gases are considered. One is argon gas and another is helium gas. At what temperature is the RMS speed of an atom in argon gas? At what temperature? That we don't know. At what temperature? The root mean square speed RMS of argon is equal to the RMS speed of helium gas at minus 20 degrees centigrade. Here the temperature is minus 20 degrees centigrade. Next, atomic mass of argon. Here it's 39.9 units, and this side 4.0 units. Now expression for RMS speed is 3 RT by m under root. Now let us calculate RMS speed for argon gas. Temperature we don't know. M value 39.9 under root. And this side RMS speed of helium gas 3 or temperature minus 20. Minus 20 means (253 Kelvin). And here capital M value 4. Now given that this is equal to this, squaring on both sides, we get this much value. If you want to shift the decimal point to this position, that is 1, 2, 3, 3 places. So you can write 2.5 2 into 10 power 3 Kelvin. Next problem 14.10. Estimate the mean free path and collision frequency of a nitrogen molecule. Nitrogen molecule. Nitrogen molecule means atomic number 7, mass number 14. So, molecular mass of nitrogen gas. How much? 28. See, N2. In each molecule, 2 nitrogen atoms will be there. Therefore, 2 into 14, 28 units molecular mass. At 2 atmospheres, pressure is given. Temperature 17 degrees centigrade. Take the radius of nitrogen molecule to be roughly 1 angstrom. Radius 1 angstrom. So diameter double the radius. Two angstroms. Compare the collision time with the time molecule moves freely between two successive collisions. Okay. Now, expression for mean free path. If average speed of a molecule is considered, in nitrogen gas, for a molecule, if average speed is considered, expression for mean free path is 1 by n pi d square. If RMS speed is considered, L is equal to root 2 n pi d square. Now, what is required to find L value? N, number density is required and diameter of each molecule is required. Diameter is given here. So, we need number density. Number density means N by V. Let us get an expression from ideal gas equation. PV is equal to mu RT. But mu is equal to N by Na. So in place of mu, let me write N by Na into RT. Now, put this in here only and move this V to right hand side. Now here what is left? Just P is left and Na move to left hand side and RT also to left hand side. Now N by V, that is number density. So number density means N by V and that is equal to P into Na by R into T. Pressure. Pressure is given 2 atmospheres. 1 atmosphere is equal to 1.01 into 10 to the power of 5 pascals. This is pressure. Na, Avogadro number. Divided by capital R value 8.3, temperature 290 Kelvin. Now from this we get N value 5.05 into 10 to the power of 25 meter minus 3, or this can be roughly written as 5.1 into 10 to the power of 25 meter cube per meter cube. So N value is ready. So we can substitute in this and get L value. Let us find L value. L is equal to 1 by root 2 N pi d square. 1 by root 2 into N value 5.1 into 10 to the power of 25, 3.14 d 2 angstroms. 2 angstroms means 1 angstrom is equal to minus 10 square. We get the L value 1.1 into 10 to the power of minus 7 meter. So we got one answer. Next what is asked here? Collision frequency is asked. Collision frequency nu is equal to 1 by tau. This tau is mean time, average time between two collisions, where tau is average time between two successive collisions. And expression for tau is 1 by N pi Vrms d square. So to find collision frequency, tau is required, and to find tau, N value of course available here, d value available, but Vrms we have to find out. And what is the expression to find Vrms? Vrms is given by 3RT by M under root. That is 3 into R value 8.3, temperature 290 Kelvin, and capital M value, how much here? 28 units, that is 28 grams, that is 28 into 10 power minus 3 kg. (28 into 10 power minus 3 kg) under root. So we get RMS speed 507.8 meter per second. By shifting the decimal point to this, we can write 5.078 into 10 to the power of 2 meter per second, or roughly 5.1 into 10 to the power of 2 meter per second. So this is RMS speed. Now substituting this value, we can find collision frequency. Collision frequency nu is equal to 1 by tau. See, tau is equal to this much. 1 by tau means this is reversed. N pi Vrms d square. N value 5.1 into 10 to the power of 25. Pi means 3.14. And Vrms 5.1 into 10 square. D value 2 angstroms. 2 into 10 power minus 10 whole square. So we get collision frequency 4.636 into 10 power 9 second inverse. From a certain apparatus, the diffusion rate of hydrogen has an average value of 28.7. Diffusion rate is given. Diffusion rate of hydrogen. See, this is R1, 28.7 centimeter cube per second. The diffusion of another gas, diffusion rate of another gas, so its diffusion rate is R2. The value is given 7.2. Identify the gas. Okay. Now, based on the two diffusion rates, we have to identify which gas is this. We know that rate of diffusion is inversely proportional to square root of molecular mass, or R1 by R2 is equal to M2 by M1 under root, or squaring on both sides. R1 by R2 whole square is equal to M2 by M1. Now, M1 means hydrogen. Molecular mass of hydrogen is equal to capital M1 is equal to, see, one hydrogen atom's mass is 1. So in each molecule 2 atoms are there. So 2 into 1. 1.1, 2.2 units. 2.2 units. 2.02, sorry. Here it is one hydrogen atom's mass is 1.01. So here we get 2.02 units. One hydrogen atom's mass is 1.01. In each molecule, see, hydrogen is a diatomic molecule. Two hydrogen atoms make one hydrogen molecule. So 2 into 1.01, that is equal to 2.02. This is the molecular mass, that is M1. Now M1, R1, R2 known, so that we can find M2. Or M2 is equal to M1 into R1 by R2 whole square. M1 how much? 2.02 into R1 28.7, R2 7.2 square. So we get 32.09 units. 32.09, this is the molecular mass of the another gas. So this is nothing but 2 into 16 units, that is 2 into oxygen. One oxygen atom has 16 mass units. So this is nothing but O2 molecule. This is oxygen molecule. Therefore, the other gas is oxygen. Given below are the densities of some solids and liquids. Carbon, gold, these are solids. Nitrogen, fluorine, these are liquids. So some solids and liquids are given. Give rough estimates of the size of their atoms. Size of atom means diameter of atom is asked. Atomic mass is given, density is given. D value is asked. Okay. Now let us consider one mole substance. Mass of 1 mole substance, that equals to what? See, mu is equal to small m by capital M. If you are considering 1 mole, so mu is equal to 1 mole. See, small m by capital M is equal to 1. Small m is equal to capital M. So mass of 1 mole gas is nothing but its molecular mass. So mass of 1 mole substance is nothing but its molecular mass or atomic mass. Atomic mass. And it is represented by capital M. Now, volume of 1 mole. First let us write volume of one molecule. We suppose the molecule has spherical shape, and volume of a sphere is 4 by 3 pi r cube. 4 by 3 pi r cube. Now, volume of 1 mole substance. If you take 1 mole substance, in that Avogadro number of molecules will be there. So if one molecule volume is this much, the volume of 1 mole substance will be Na into 4 by 3 pi r cube, because 1 mole substance has Avogadro number of molecules. So for 1 molecule this much volume, for Na number of molecules how much? Na by 1 into this. Okay. Now density. Density is equal to mass of 1 mole substance divided by volume of 1 mole substance. Rho is equal to mass of 1 mole substance is capital M. Volume of 1 mole substance is Na into 4 by 3 pi r cube. So from this we can write r cube is equal to 3m by 4 pi rho Na. Now using this expression we can find R value. Three by 4 into pi value 3.14 into Na 6.02 into 10 to the power of 23 into capital M by rho value. So now the formula is ready to calculate. First let us choose from the table carbon. The substance carbon isotope diamond is taken. Its atomic mass how much? 12.01 grams. 12.01 into 10 to the power of minus 3 kg. Next, density. Density how much? 2.22 into 10 power 3 kg per meter cube. So let us substitute this value here. R cube is equal to 3 by 75.6 into 10 to the power of 23 into 12.01 into 10 to the power of minus 3 divided by 2.22 into 10 power 3. So from this we get R value 1.29 into 10 to the power of minus 10 meters. (23 plus 3 26 minus 26). This must be 10 power minus 30. Therefore, multiply numerator and denominator by 10 power minus 1. Ten power minus 1 when brought to numerator it becomes 10. Multiply this by 10. This into this 10 power minus 30. R is equal to 1/3. In this way we get the answer. Using this formula we can find R value for the remaining substances also. But here size is asked. Size means diameter. Here we got, so this is the radius, and doubling this we get the diameter.